Hello, my name is Shiji Kathuria, and I'm the Honors Librarian for Perimeter College. Today I will be showing you how to export a simple bibliography using Zotero. So what is Zotero? Zotero is a free and easy to use citation management tool that helps you organize and cite your research quickly and efficiently. It automatically senses content on the web to save into your personal database. From there, you can instantly create a bibliography of this content within a few clicks. It can help you not only cite in MLA or APA, but in over 10,000 citation styles. So let's do a demo. In this short video, I'll show you how to collect and bookmark content, build a simple bibliography in MLA format, and some additional features that may be of use to you in other projects and course assignments, but not covered in this tutorial. First, we'll get started at zotero.org. When you select Download, you will see there are two steps to downloading. First, as the program, and secondly, as a browser connector. I'd recommend downloading it using Chrome, but it also works with Firefox, Edge, and Safari. This tutorial will not detail how to specifically download it to your computer. Please follow the prompts on the website, and if you have any trouble, you can reach out to me via email. Once Zotero has been installed onto your computer, it should be its own standalone program that looks like this. However, it should also be integrated into two additional places. First, in your browser of choice, and also within Microsoft Word as its own menu. Once downloaded correctly, now we can start building our library. When I click this icon, it will then save into my Zotero program, with all of the metadata about that item broken out. This will help build my citation later. It works like this no matter what you're looking at on the web: YouTube videos, library resources, etc. If you're using a library database to find scholarly sources, you'll have a few different ways to save it to your library. When you're looking at the page of results, you can actually save all the results at the same time, or you can click on an individual result and save it that way. This is an ebook on Dutch culture. So now all three of these sources have been saved into my Zotero library within just one click. Now let's make a formatted bibliography in MLA. I will select all the items that I have in my library and right-click on the highlighted items. From there, I can click on Create Bibliography from Items. A menu will come up of all the different citation styles that you can cite in. MLA is listed by its full name, Modern Language Association 9th edition. My output mode will be in bibliography, and my output method will be copy to clipboard. I'll click OK. Because I have it copied to my clipboard, I can then paste it in any word processor of choice, such as Google Docs, Microsoft Word, or anything else. And I can paste. It's really as easy as that. Import content from the web and have a formatted bibliography within seconds. Although Zotero makes the process easier, you will still be responsible for making sure your MLA formatted bibliography is accurate. For example, for the ebook that I saved from the library website, you'll notice the author's names are not listed as last name, comma, first name, which is what MLA suggests you cite your authors as. You can either manually make the change in your word processor, or you can edit the fields within Zotero to make that correction. Here you'll see you can switch to two fields. So I'll click this, and the author's names will change. So if I create bibliography from item again with this item, it should now list the author's name correctly. Last name, comma, first name. I often double check against the website Purdue OWL to make sure my bibliography is formatted correctly. Here is where I saw that MLA format suggests authors' names are listed as last name, comma, first name. This tutorial has only provided a basic introduction to create your formatted bibliography. To write the annotation as part of your bibliography, you will have to consult the assignment instructions your professor has provided for you. Just keep in mind there tend to be three main areas of focus when writing an annotation. Typically, there's a summary of the source, a brief evaluation of the quality of the source, and an evaluation of whether or not the source is useful for your research in this assignment. Please verify with your professor what all information should be included in the annotation. There are additional features in Zotero that won't be covered in this tutorial, including but not limited to syncing your Zotero library across multiple devices, group libraries, which means sharing your library with others, such as peers in your class or with your professor, creating in-text citations while you write in Microsoft Word or Google Docs, and Zotero storage. Zotero is free to use up to 300 megabytes worth of storage. There is a low cost associated after you hit that limit, but please know that it takes a lot of sources to qualify for a paid account, and a free account will meet your needs for this course. This has been a quick look at how to use Zotero to make the process of your bibliography easier. Please don't hesitate to contact me if you need additional help or want to learn about any of those additional features. I am available for one-on-one virtual or in-person research appointments. Thank you, and I look forward to hearing from you.